Good morning, student. Student, today's topic is differentiation and topic is chain rule. Let y equal to a composite function f of gx. Then y equal to f gx. If we differentiate a composite function, then we apply a chain rule. So, to differentiate it, dy over dx equal to d over dx of f of gx. Here we suppose let gx equal to t, then it is d over dx of ft. Then we will differentiate d over dt of ft into dt over dx. Then it is d over dt of ft into d over dx of t equal to gx. So there is a formula f dash t into g dash x. Now we will put the value of t. So it is f dash gx into g dash x. This is the chain rule. See the example. Let y equal to sine x square. So we suppose x square as a t. Then here y equal to sine t. Then dy over dx equal to d over dt of sine t into d over dx of t is x square. Then derivative of sine t is cos t. Then derivative of x square is 2x. Now we will put the value of t. So it is 2x into cos of x square. So to differentiate y equal to sine x square, we will apply the chain rule. Here y equal to sine x square is the composite function. It is composite function. Now, exercise 5.2 from NCERT. Question number 1. It is y equal to sine x square plus 5. To differentiate this, we will apply the chain rule. Dy over dx is d over dx of sine of x square plus 1, x square plus 5. Then it is cos of x square plus 5 into d over dx of x square plus 5. Then it is cos x square plus 5 and derivative of x square is 2x and 5 is 0. So it is 2x cos x square plus 5. Question number 2. Y equal to cos sin x. Its derivative dy over dx is d over dx of cos sin x. Now, derivative of cos x is minus sine of sin x into d over dx of sin x. It is minus sine of sin x and derivative of sin x is cos x. So, it is minus cos x into sine of sin x. Now question 3. Y equal to sin ax plus b. So dy over dx is derivative of sin x is cos of ax plus b. Then d over dx of ax plus b. Then it is cos ax plus b into a x1 b0. So it is a cos ax plus b. Now question 4. Y equal to sec bracket tan root x. So dy over dx equal to d over dx of sec tan root x. Now derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So it is sec tan root x into tan of tan root x into d over dx of tan root x. Now it is sec tan root x into tan of tan root x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. So it is sec square root x into d over dx of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So it is sec tan root x into tan of tan root x into sec square root x into 1 upon 2 root x. So it is the derivative of sec tan root x. It is by chain rule. Student, now question is y equal to sin ax plus b upon cos cx plus d. To differentiate this, we will apply the quotient rule. It is cos square cx plus d, then cos cx plus d as it is, d over dx of sin of ax plus b minus sin ax plus b as it is, then d over dx of cos of ax plus b. Now cos cx plus d as it is. Now derivative of sin x is cos x. So it is cos of ax plus b into d over dx of ax plus b minus sin of ax plus b into derivative of cos x is minus sin ax plus b into d over dx of ax plus b upon denominator square. So it is cos square cx plus d. Then it is cos of cx plus d into cos ax plus b, and derivative of ax plus b is a. It is a x1 b0 minus sin of ax plus b, this minus minus plus, this Cx plus d. Derivative of cos Cx plus d. It is Cx plus d. So it is sine of Cx plus d into derivative of C is 1, d, C as a constant, x is 1 plus d0 upon cos square Cx plus d. It can't simplify further, so this is the answer.